Wait, on the right side here, I'm drawing a big clock. I'm drawing a line right down the middle. On the right side, we would be talking about the minutes 1 through 30. Those are minutes. So like 9:01, 9:15, 9:30 minutes. If we're on this side of the clock, we're going to use E, the letter Y. If we're on this side of the clock, we're discussing the minutes 31 through 59. If we're on that side of the clock, we're going to use menos. Okay. So to say, what time is it? You say, ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? To answer that, to say it is a certain time, we say son las. Then how do you say 8? Ocho. Son las ocho. Would answer that. ¿Qué hora es? Son las ocho. It's 5 o'clock. Same idea. It is son las. And we'd say cinco. Son las cinco. Yes.
What would you do for the AM and PM?
We'll get to that towards the end. Okay. Questions? So far. Now, the next couple, we're going to start adding in minutes. 7:20. The minutes are between 1 and 30. Okay? So I'm going to say it's 7. Son las siete. It's 7. And how many minutes do we need to add?
20.
How do we say 20? 20. Son las siete. Literally, it's 7 and this many minutes. Son las 7:20. Yes.
Is it always going to be wrong?
We'll get to most 99% of the time, yes. Okay. 2:10. Son las dos. It's 2 o'clock. The minutes are between 1 and 30. Son las dos and 10. This many minutes. Son las 12:10. Sometimes you hear old people say, it's a quarter till. So cuarto means a quarter, which is 15 minutes. Okay. You could also say y quince, but if you see y cuarto, you need to know that's 15 also. Okay. So media, you might hear really old people say, oh, it's half past. That's half. So you could say y treinta or y media. So if I was saying it's 2:15, you could hear son las 12:15 or son las 12:15, 2:30, son las 12:30, son las 12:30. Either one's fine. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to the other side of the clock. We're subtracting time. Okay. This says you need to go up to the next hour. What's the next hour if it's 4:50? Okay. So I would say son las 5. Okay. Now instead of E, we're going to say menos. How many minutes do I need to subtract from 5 o'clock? 10. There we go. 10. If I subtract from 4 o'clock, then it's going to be 3:50. You have to go up to the next hour. So now I'm taking 10 minutes away from 5 o'clock. Gets me to 4:50. Okay. So 10:45. The next hour is 11 o'clock. Son las 11. It's 11 o'clock. I'm subtracting menos. I need to subtract 15 minutes. 15. I'm also going to put in here cuarto, because you'll also see that. Whoops. Cuarto. Son las 11 menos 15. Son las 11 menos cuarto. Either one's fine. Try doing it's 5:55 on your own. You'll go up to the next hour, subtract some minutes. Try doing that one on your own.
Is menos just minus?
Yes. So the next hour, 6 o'clock, son las 6, minus 5 minutes, menos 5. So you have to subtract if you're on this side of the clock. Okay. Now, for 1 o'clock, we do not say son las. You say es la for 1 o'clock. Es la. And then the rest of our rules still apply. You're using y or you're using menos. Es la una y 30 or y media. Es la. The only thing difference, it's not son las. Now, 12:52 is not 1 o'clock, but we have to go up to 1 o'clock and then subtract time. So, es la una menos, we're subtracting 8 minutes from 1 o'clock. Es la una menos 8. Time is feminine. So that's, if you put uno on a test, I'm not going to count. Questions so far? A couple more things. Sometimes you might want to say it's midnight or it's noon. So I'll show you how to do that. We won't use it very much. Es mediodía. So you kind of see the word medio means middle, dia, day. So it's like it's the middle of the day. Es mediodía. Es medianoche. It's the middle, media noche, middle of the night. If you put son las 12, it's 12, that's fine too. I mean, I usually say it's 12. I wouldn't say it's the middle of the day. Or it's noon, I guess. We're going to skip 2 for now. We'll get to that tomorrow. On the very bottom, sometimes you want to say it's 8:30 in the morning or it's 8:30 a.m. So that's what we're going to do here. De la mañana. In the morning or a.m. Son las 10:15 de la mañana. 10:15 a.m. or 10:15 in the morning. De la tarde, in the afternoon. And de la noche, in the evening or p.m. So this is what we're going to work with today.